Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. Today's video is on this Tarte skincare products. I just wanted to tell you guys real quick, I have used this bad boy for years. This is the Tarte Maracuja oil. It does also, not only does it moisturize the skin, it also treats acne. So this stuff is absolutely amazing. You just put 1 or 2 little drops on your face, and for the daytime, mind you. I actually put a lot more at nighttime. I go to sleep wearing this stuff. So you kind of just put like one drop, get a drop out there. You guys can see it now, and I'm telling you to use 1 drop for the daytime because you don't want to have any burning on your face from the sun. You know, this is oil. But you guys can see, like, if you use a very, very small amount, how it just kind of absorbs right into the skin. My skin is cleanly washed, freshly dried. Anyways, let's go ahead and go to this next one. This is the drink of H2O by Tarte. This is it's made with a hyaluronic acid, I believe. It's a gel. You guys can see that here. This is another moisturizer. And this is a water-based moisturizer. So it kind of just soaks into the skin. When my skin starts soaking up moisture, it turns very, very red. You guys can see how red my skin is turning. That means my skin was dehydrated. And that sounds so weird to say because I actually have very, very oily skin. But the reason that a lot of you guys have oily skin is because your skin is dehydrated, believe it or not. Okay, you guys can see my skin color will start going back down to normal. This stuff here is great. It just really soaks up, doesn't leave any like residue or any texture behind on the skin. It kind of just all soaks up and absorbs. So this is great. Great, great, great. This is a brand new one. I have not tried this. It's a Maracuja C Brightening Eye Cream. So I'm going to go ahead and try this on real quick. Look, my skin's already going back down to normal. So this is what it looks like. Doesn't smell really like anything. It seems like it's a thick cream. Let's go ahead and try it on. And this is a thick cream. So I'm going to go ahead and put it under the eye. Actually, I don't think maybe you're supposed to apply this in the daytime. I would assume this is supposed to be applied at nighttime because I would think that this would interfere with your eyeshadow primer. But it is drying down very nicely. But I can still feel the thickness a little bit. Anyways, I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about these. By the way, this Maracuja oil, I am not kidding. Alejandro suffered from acne for so many years. When we started using this, it cleared up his acne within just a few days, and I am not over-exaggerating. I will post that video down below if you don't believe me. We tried half of his face with coconut oil, half of the other face with Maracuja oil, and the results were absolutely amazing. But I'm feeling my skin right now. Everything is soaked up, so I'm primed and ready. I am ready to go ahead and put on foundation. And this is a tip that, you put on your moisturizer before you put on your foundation so you don't overproduce oils and your foundation stays down. But like getting back to this one, so you will wash your face every single night. You will place more than 3 drops all over, and you will go to sleep looking like you are very greasy, wake up the next morning looking even more greasy. And then what you do, this is only for you guys that are really, really treating acne or really wanting your skin to be moisturizer. You just take hot water on your hands and kind of wipe it all down. Keep wiping your face. You can wipe it with a towel with hot water, and then that's it. You let the rest of the oil absorb into the skin, which it will, and that's it. And I guarantee you your acne will clear up. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button, little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.